We're going to start our day with a nice breakfast to make sure that we have plenty of energy to make it through the day. And of course, a fresh cup of coffee is a must. And yes, I put a lot of creamer in my coffee. I'm sorry, don't come at me. I like cream in my coffee. And then I got this new cold foam. It's the first time that I'm trying it, and it was so good. I recently saw somebody cooking bacon like this in their pot, and it's so awesome. I'll never go back to making bacon the way I used to. It cooks it fast, it's easy, and it keeps all of the splatter off the top of your stove. Now, is it perfectly cooked bacon? No, probably not. But my kids like it, I like it, it's easy. You should give it a try. Here is Tanner and Allie's plate. Allie does not like cinnamon rolls. And after breakfast, I'm gonna pack our bag. This is everything that we brought. I only brought a few snacks this time because since this is the first time we're going this season, we will be buying lunch and having snacks there today. It's so crazy because last year Allie was terrified of these slides. She would not go down them. This time she did it and she thought that they were super slow and they were for babies. So it was cute that she tried them, but she has outgrown them, unfortunately, because she did not do them last year when she was 4. So we ended up finding the preteen slides for kids under the age of 12, and she loved these and had a blast. Both of the kids loved these slides. They said it was their favorite of the day, and they went down them probably a good 10 times. After the lazy river and the wave pool, we decided to get some lunch. And after lunch, we went and did everything for a second time. And before we headed out for the day, I promised the kids that we would get ice cream. It was delicious and everybody absolutely loved it.